I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so your data is meaningful. Pair the watch to Garmin Connect and permit location and background sync. This lets GPS and training load update. Once paired, enter accurate weight, age, and wrist preference so calorie and cadence estimates improve. Then charge the device above half and select running activity. This first run collects baseline GPS and stride data. Make sure to calibrate pace by running a known distance or using Once you're ready to go, wait for a GPS lock so distance and pace are accurate. This avoids false splits. Start with a steady warm-up for 5 to 10 minutes to stabilize heart rate and cadence. While running, use lap or autopause for traffic stops and select on-screen fields like pace, cadence, heart rate, and distance so you get actionable feedback at a glance. You can enable virtual pacer and audio cues to hold target pace. These features prevent drifting without constant checks. You finish by stopping and saving the run, then sync to Garmin Connect so the app computes VO2 max, training effect, and recovery time. Review splits, elevation, and power metrics if you use a footpod or strid. Adjusting workout targets in the app makes future sessions smarter. If data looks off, try common fixes. Restart the watch, clear cached satellite data, repair sensors, or update firmware. That one troubleshooting step, firmware and sensor repair, resolves most inconsistent readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.